Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today we are showing you how to add letterhead image in Excel and how you can place it perfectly on your worksheet for a professional look. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer and then open your existing workbook or create a new workbook. This is where you will add the letterhead image so it appears on your working sheet. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab from the top menu. This tab contains all the options you need to add objects like pictures, shapes, and charts into your Excel sheet. Step 3. Click on Pictures from the ribbon. This option allows you to insert images directly into your worksheet from different sources. Step 4. Click on this device. This helps you browse and choose an image that is already saved on your computer. Step 5. Select the letterhead image file from your computer. Make sure you choose the correct file that you want to use as your official letterhead. Step 6. Click on the Insert button. This action places the selected image directly into your Excel worksheet. Step 7. Click on the inserted image. Selecting it is important so you can move, resize, and format it properly. Step 8. Drag the image to the top of the worksheet. Placing it at the top helps the letterhead look clean and professional on your document. Step 9. Use the corner handles of the image to resize it. Resizing from the corners keeps the image proportions correct and avoids distortion. Step 10. Right-click on the image. This opens a menu with additional formatting options for better control. Step 11. Click on Format Picture. This opens the Format pane where you can fine-tune the appearance of the image. Step 12. Use the picture corrections, picture color, and crop options in the Format Picture pane to adjust the picture. This helps improve clarity, alignment, and overall appearance of the letterhead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.